Hey guys, so today I am doing a review of this steamer that we just recently got. So I just want to show you a few of the features, some of the things that I'm liking about it, and then I am going to steam the shirt right behind me to show you that it works. So first of all, what it comes with, the steamer itself, the thing that I love about it is that it folds down. So it actually comes just like this, and then when you're ready to use it, you just fold it up just like that. And it also comes with a travel bag, which is fantastic because we usually will travel with a steamer, so to have something to put it in is great. And the third piece of it is actually the piece that you put the water in on the back. So here is how you use it. First, you take the section that holds the water and you just run it under the faucet, put as much water in it as you want, then stop, and then you can just close this little rubber lid right here. Next, you're going to unfold this and take the little water piece, and you can see on the spout there is a lock and unlock bit. So you just take it, lock it into place. I have now plugged it into the wall, and there is a little red indicator light on the top letting me know that it is heating up, and soon it's going to turn off and then I can start steaming. Okay, so our steamer is ready to go. So you just simply click this button right here and the steam starts coming out. It is designed to be leak proof, so you can hold it up or you can hold it down like this. So let's go ahead and see how it steams. Okay, so that is that. Overall, I think this is a great steamer. We are everyday steamer people in our house, so we love a good steamer. I put it directly onto the fabric. There was no leaking, there was no burning smell. It was fantastic. So overall, I would recommend this great little white steamer to you.